Hello students, welcome to my channel Mathematics for All. This is the third lesson on equations on indices, and this will be the last one on this subtopic. Okay, the first problem. 1. 3 to the power 3x plus 9 is equal to 10 into 3 to the power x. So then x is how much? This is what they have asked you in the question. Simple. How will you do? 3 to the power x to the power cube plus 9 is equal to 10 into 3 to the power x. Take 3 to the power x is equal to a cube minus, now plus 9 is equal to 10a, then a cube minus 10a plus 9 is equal to 0. Now how we factorize this polynomial, a cubic expression or a cubic polynomial, you will learn in the chapter polynomials. So I'm not going to the details right now. I'm just saying I'll just discuss or highlight on how to solve this kind of equation. Is a basic thing. I'm not going to detail. Again, I'm saying this you will learn in complete factorization of a cubic or a biquadratic polynomials. You will learn in the chapter polynomials itself. But how we can solve it? A cubic, we cannot do a midterm. Had it been a quadratic equation, we could have done a midterm, but it's a cubic one, we cannot do. So by trial and error method, we'll try to find the value of a for which the entire expression on the left hand side is equal to the expression on the right hand side, which is 0. And I can, for a is equal to 1, I see that LHS is 1 minus 10 plus 9 is equal to RHS. Right now, this is also 0. So, a equal to 1 satisfies this equation. What is a? Then x is equal to 0. This is my answer. Fine. Clear? Copy down. This is pretty easy. Copy down fast. Then I move to the next one. हो गया कॉपी करना? Okay. Moving to the next one. 2. 2 says 6 2x plus 4 2x plus 8, then x equal to how much? Solution. How will I do? This is 3 into 2 to the power 2x plus 4. So this is 3 to the power of 2x plus 4, 2 to the power of 2x plus 4 is equal to 3 to the power of 3x plus 8, right? So we can compare both sides. So I compare power of 3, so bases are equal, 3x and 2, this is equal. So 4 is equal to x and x is equal to 4. Please note that in this kind of when you will have two sets of equations on x, for both the equations or for both the sets of equations, the value of x has to be same. It has to be same. It cannot, we cannot have two different sets of values of x for two different sets of equation on x that will satisfy the given equation in the problem. This has to be same. If it is not, then your answer is wrong. Clear? Moving on to next 3. 3. X to the power of y is equal to 2 to the power x. X is equal to 2y. Then x comma y is how much? This is what we have been asked, right? Fine. So how we will do? So x, so I can write x is equal to 2y. So 2y to the power of y is equal to 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power of y into y to the power of y is equal to 2 to the power of x. This gives us y to the power of y to the power of y. Now when both are equal, LHS is equal to RHS. Here bases have to be equal. Bases have to be equal and the exponents or powers have to be equal. This implies y is equal to 2 and y is equal to x minus y. 2, so this implies 2 is equal to x minus 2. This implies 4 is equal to x. This one you understood, right? Y to the power of y equal to 2 to the power x minus y. So bases have to be equal first of all and powers have to be equal. Okay, copy down. Okay, moving to the next problem. I hope you have already copied the previous one. इतने टाइम में तो हो जाना चाहिए copy, unless you lose your focus. Next, 8 to the power of x is equal to 128. 9 to the power of x plus y, 27xy. So x and y is how much? Right? Solution: 2 cube x, 2 square y, and 2 to the power of 7 is 128. You can do the prime factorization. I know it, so I wrote it directly. 2 to the power 3x into 2 to the power of 2y is equal to 2 to the power of 7. This gives me 2 to the power of 3x plus 2y 7. This gives me 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. Right? Okay. So this is my first equation. Coming to the next one. 3 square 9 x plus y, 3 cube xy. So 3 to the power of 2x plus 2y, 3xy. The bases are same, so the powers are same. Am I right? So we have two sets of equations. From 1 we can say y is equal to 7 minus 3x by 2. Put in 2. So 2x plus 2y will be 7 minus 3x. 3x into 7 minus 3x by 2. This will give you 7 minus x into 2. And this is 3x into 7 is 21x minus 3x into 3x is 9x square. Right now? Okay. So 14 minus 2x is equal to 21x minus 9x square. So 9x square minus 23x plus 14. This gives me 9x square. 14x plus 14 is equal to 0. This implies 0. Okay. So this gives us x is equal to 14 by 9 or x is equal to 1. So we know this. Now we put the value. So y equal to 7 minus 3 into 1 by 2. So 2. So when x equal to 1, y equal to 2. This is one value. For the other value, when x equal to 14 by 9, then y equal to 7 minus 3 into 14 by 9 by 2. Right? So 3 3s are 9. So this will give me 7 by 1 minus 14 by 3 by 2. 21 minus 14 by 3 by 2. That is 7 by 3 into 2. That is 7 by 6. So we have two sets of values. So when x equal to 1, y equal to 2. And when x equal to 14 by 9, y equal to 7 by 6. Sorry. This is my answer. Right now? Go through it and copy down. Copy down the entire problem. Clear hai? Is it clear to everyone who is watching these videos? I have tried to show every step, the minimum that is required. By now, if you go through my video step by step, write down, practice these problems, you should be conversant with the laws of indices. Chalo. Okay then, that's all on the equations on indices. Next one will be on rearrangements. Okay. So thank you for a patient hearing. Take care. Bye. Have a good day. God bless us.